I'm about to do an unboxing. I just went down and got a Galaxy watch. I got my wife one 2-3 years ago, and she loves it, and I liked it too. Wanted to get one for myself, but where I worked, I was afraid that I would turn and bang my wrist against a counter and bust a crystal. So I just haven't had one. Now I'm able to get one because main reason I broke my other watch. So I'm going to open this up and see what all's in it. Okay, open it up. I think. Maybe I won't open it up. There we go.
Shove it.
Okay, here's the watch. I haven't turned it on yet or charged it, so. Something else here. Got 2 compartments in here. Open it and see what it is. Charger. And what's on the other side? A charging cable. And the the wall charger. You know, so it can go on the go. And I think that's pretty much all that's in here. Now I gotta just turn it on and sync it to my cell phone. All right, here's an extra watch band in case you break the other one, with plastic straps. You never know, you might break one, but my wife's had hers over 2 years and she hasn't broke it yet, so maybe these are a little stronger material. And with the strap is the quick start guide. So with being a smartwatch, it's probably smarter than I am, so I may need that guide for setting up the phone or the Bluetooth. And there's the overnight start, and you just, ooh, and it's magnetic. So it'll just pop right on there, lock on, good to go. You can charge it overnight or however often you need to. And like I said before, with the wristbands, Thelma's had her watch 2-3 years, I believe, and she hasn't busted a band on it, so I'm not worried about needing the extra band, but it's always nice to have it just in case. Pretty nice little box that they come in. And this is, I guess, your travel mode of charging it. And just, here's the charging cord. They got it sealed up pretty good. So here we go. See how long it is. Looks like it's pretty good. Yeah, that's long enough to reach from where I park my phone to an outlet, so it's long enough.